Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to delete Opera folder permanently 100% fixed. Type Task Scheduler in Windows search bar, click Task Scheduler. Any active tasks in Opera related. Double-click to open Opera related task. Simply delete the task. Now click Refresh. Search any Opera related tasks. If any tasks related to Opera, simply delete. Now you can try to delete .opera folder. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.